I thought I'd make a little video of it in the daytime instead of rather at night, because you can't see shit at night, of course. But this is the setup. That's 9 Mile Road, of course. But okay. It's my little table I built that I was gonna originally make it into something else, but it makes a good work table. So anyway, put all my junk down. All right, where should we start? All right, we'll start over here at the pond, which get a little leakage going on. I think it's somewhere up there, but anyway, I'll fix it later. This is my pond, 4 foot by 8 foot, and I got all my goldfish in there. I got like 55 of them in there. Some of them are really big, and most of them are the little small ones. Then it goes, of course, the pump pumps it all out, but this is what I got going on right here, and this is where I'm thinking I'm leaking. Pretty darn sure of it. In fact, yeah, I know it is. But there, some plants going on there. Got all this. Okay, now let me walk back around. I'll kind of give you a little more. Alright, that's 2 sticks on each run of the thin wall sewer PVC. 3-inch or 4-inch, sorry. Then I got the net pots with the, I used the rock wool as the, I started them all in rock wool, and then I just brought them out through the pellets around them. Everything seems to be doing alright. Right now I just got the water hose running down in there. I got the fittings and everything to run my actual hard line in there, but I just haven't had time yet. And that's, all these are, I think they're broccoli. I'm pretty sure. They're either broccoli or they're cucumbers, I don't know. Anyway, so the idea is that the pumps, I got one main big pump, which is hooked to this water hose here, that I got from Harbor Freight for like 30 bucks on sale, and it's hooked to a timer. And what it'll do is it'll pump it from the pond back down here, and then I'm gonna have T's on each one of these, and it'll feed into these pipes. And then this is more of a, I guess, kind of a flood and drain type, because inside of each one of these, I don't know if you can see down in there. Not. Let's see. Anyway, there's a plastic piece inside there that looks like. Yes, I know I need to clean the yard. I took some test caps and I cut them in half, and they're a little bit bigger than these. But anyway, and then down on the bottom here, I cut a little groove so that way it'll flood and it'll overflow here. But then once the pump kicks off from the timer, it'll actually drain completely out through that hole. I can't take all the credit, I got that off the YouTube. Anyway, then it, so then all that runs back down in here. Boom, goes down in here. I got 2 air stones, which are only hooked to one nice air pump there. Yes, I know I need to put a weatherproof box. What I've been using is just this tub I got from Walmart. Anyway, over here on these are some boat fittings that originally I thought I could just use one, but the water flow is just a little quicker than it could handle, so I had to put in this 1.25 inch fitting, which is really nice. If I had to do it all over again, I wouldn't even get those. I'll just use those, because you can angle that to whatever you know, whatever water level you want. And of course that drains from there back into there. And then I have a $20 fountain pump that I got from Harbor Freight also, that I use continuously, which is that one. And yes, I'm gonna pretty it all up, but anyway, and it stays on continuously to keep the water circulating. My water's been turning kind of green here lately. Of course, you know, I only put it in a week ago, so maybe everything's balancing out. I don't know. Everything seems to be happy. My pH level's right. My pH level's sitting right at 7, so as long as everything seems alright and the fish are happy and the plants are happy, hey, I'm not gonna fix it. So that's pretty much it. So this is the tour of it here. Up here. Plans are is I'm gonna put some more grow beds over here and some more over, another one over here. I'm gonna use this one for I think I'm gonna use this one for tomato plants, since tomato plants get so darn big. I don't want to stick them on this because then it would just complicate things. What else? That's about it. So that's the spec of it. See up there. Each one of these runs will hold 27 plants. You can get approximately 14 holes at 8 inches apart. Yeah, so this here is some styrofoam I got from Gulf Coast Office Products that they were throwing out. So hey, I took the same hole saw that I was using to cut the holes in the pipe. As you can hear, I live right next to a helicopter field, but pop some holes in there. The broccoli, I know that's broccoli because I've already tasted it. I have it sitting a little farther down into the hydrogen than the tomatoes. I didn't want to overwater the tomatoes, but you know, whatever. Let's see here, and I think it sounds like, yeah, my pump is kicked off, so you'll kind of get to see what's going on here. Okay, I'll make another video on that.